Good morning, everybody. We back at it again. Today is Friday. Let me turn this backlight on. Maybe that'll help. So y'all can, maybe that'll help. Today is Friday. I'm happy. We all look forward to the weekend. It's cold today. I think the temperature is like 50 degrees, I believe. Let me turn this off. Yeah. Y'all can't see me a little better. As you see, I have my work vest on. So, like I said, today Friday. Gotta get it. Glasses on again. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Click thumbs up. Leave some comments at the bottom. We're gonna get this one going. And we gotta get it going first with the work day. As y'all all know, this is Vlogtober. me. I'm just saying. Let me get my work bag ready and then we could get this one going. I'm actually gonna wear a hat today, even though my hair don't look all that bad. But I did not hot comb it at the top, so yeah. So let's get the bag going. Again, carrying the Longchamp backpack. Have not switched out yet. Like I said in the yesterday video, I really love this bag. But yeah, I just wanted to open up the video with my morning. Right now it's like 6:23 a.m. and this is how I start my morning. Yeah, we're gonna keep it going, keep it moving, keep it litty. That ain't even me. I don't even say that word. But yeah, we're gonna just keep it going. I don't really have much to do today, but we're gonna just see what this day give us. Wish Damani happy birthday in the comments, everybody. Today is her birthday, October 4th. So yeah, hopefully she'll have a great day. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna give her money and be done with that, because I ain't finna be doing a whole lot of shopping. So yeah, okay, I'm finna get my day going and I'll come back in a little bit. Get ready to go in here into Kohl's. Try to find Damani something for her birthday. And maybe a shirt or two for myself. Okay, here we go. Let me see. They used to have like Champion stuff. I see. Oh, this is kind of cute. This little half-cut Fila. No, Adidas jacket. It's kind of cute. Oh, look at this. She actually got some. Oh, they super thin. Okay. Outfit of the day. I look a mess today. Put this hat on. Okay, like I said, I'm trying to find some Champ stuff, and it don't look like they have anymore. That's a cute shirt. That's real cute. But no. Oh, and then it's a 10% off. But I'm actually looking for... This outfit is really cute. This is cute. Let me see. Let me find a shirt.
Susan call 114, Susan 114.
Damn, they only got the shirt in white. Shoot. Graphic Tees and Kohl's is the place to be. They got the best graphic t-shirts that you can find, whether it's online or inside the store. Tons and tons and tons. And I'm looking for one this color, lime green one. Oh, look at this. This one is nice. This is a Tory. They're gonna be pissed at me because I'm unfolding everything. Let's go to this side.
11121.
I think I'm gonna get this one, this Pac-Man one. Yep. But I need a large. That's the problem. Trying to find one your size or whatever. That's the problem I always have. Heck, I wish this was black though. Yep, I'm gonna get this one. That's a nice one. Yeah, I didn't find anything for Damani, so I'm just gonna give her money and be done with that, because like I said, it's really easier to just give money versus trying to find a gift. But I really kind of wanted to get her something. I ended up buying the two shirts that I showed y'all, the Pac-Man shirt and the Atori shirt. Some of y'all might be a little too young to know about Atori, but yeah, I bought the Pac-Man and the Atori shirt, and I used my 20% coupon because I don't really shop at Kohl's that often. I didn't have any Kohl's cash, so that part was out. I think what I'm getting ready to do is figure out lunch. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna eat burgers. We cooked burgers last night, so I'm gonna just eat leftovers for lunch. Yeah, and be done with that. Hopefully I'm in the frame. Okay, y'all, this is just leftovers. Back to work. But have y'all ever tasted this water, this Hint water? It's called Hint. Yeah, I just started drinking that. I'm not a real big water fan. Yeah, but it's not bad. It's okay. It tastes exactly like water. You know, most of the time when you get flavored water, most of the time when you get flavored water, it be like sweet, have a little sugar in it. But this don't. This tastes like water with a hint of flavor, like it says. like the name of it, hint. And that's exactly what it is, just a hint of flavor. It's more water than anything. So if you don't like drinks like that, you probably won't like this. If you're not a big water drinker like me, you probably won't like this. I'm kind of forcing myself to drink it because I know I need to drink way more water than what I drink. So I'm trying to force myself to drink something. I don't like plain water, so I figured this might be my way of getting more water into my body.
Yeah. Like it. Wrong. Order wrong.
Hey! Pull the chain down. Who is that behind you? Right there.
I'm behind her.
Who is that? 22?
This 13, 14 than me. Wrong. Where they at? Wrong. Where they at? Let's go ahead.
You're so silly.
Let's go ahead. Wrong.
He's talking about the bus order, y'all. Because the buses is lined up wrong.
12. Count with me. 12, 13, 14. Not 13, 14, 12. They wrong.
Right there.
You wrong. Where Mookie and them at?
You got it too high.
They wrong. I ain't want you.
People be killing me. People who ain't got no fame at all.
Like I can't be on.
Ain't got not nan fame, but can't be on film.
They can't be on no social media.
Right.
Come on, count with me. Come on, Mookie Black.
I would have laughed my ass off if you would have fell down them steps.
Everybody, count with me. 12, 13, 14. Not 13, 14, 12, 10, 9. Wrong. Wrong. You was on the bus, right?
They're crazy, y'all. Crazy. You was on the bus?
Yeah. I've been saying you wrong since I walked
You
past
heard them all this time?
Wrong. Where Miss Babylon? Get them.
Right there. I guess she checked you.
Wrong.
So this means you was going before we leave.
No, I wasn't. This man said he's
Your bus, when I got to the last, your bus was where this side.
just sitting on the side. They took my bus on the charge. I had to go get 24 from that.
Well, they ain't gonna come here ever again.
Okay.
Come on, how to count.
No, you said y'all got it.
No,
you
we
said
got
y'all
here, I
left
had to
it.
use the bathroom.
Right, and he was
So,
asleep. So
you
that
know,
why
I
he got
waiting on
here.
nobody.
He got here at the one
Right,
time.
right.
They go to sleep. He's so
No,
sleep.
he just, we got here the same.
We got it on tape. He just said he woke up out of
Well,
his
he lied to y'all.
Wrong.
I don't have nothing to say. Babylon look like she ready today. You better calm down.
Because she gonna leave. I'm not on him.
You better calm down.